So I'm new to the custom keyboard world, and I thought, hey, why not jump right in, give it a try, and bring you guys along for the ride. If you're new to the channel, you probably don't know this, but I have struggled lately to find a great keyboard for a good price. And it's well documented. You can check it out here if you don't believe me. So since I couldn't find one on the market pre-built, I decided, why not give this whole custom keyboard thing a go? So I ordered a Barebones kit from Glorious, the GMMK Pro, a very popular keyboard over the last few years. I snagged some Gateron Yellow Pro 2.0 switches and some Kinetic Labs keycaps, all available in the descriptions below, and figured, let's just throw this thing together and see what happens. All right, let's do this, guys. I've never done it before. Thanks for coming along for the ride. All right, F key built, only every other one left to go. I think I'm gonna need to pour myself a drink for this, and we're gonna pull some of our 4-Gate, one of my favorite whiskey companies here at FPP Tech. Not sponsored, but hey, Bobby, if you wanna sponsor us, we'd love to hear it. Okay, I can feel you guys already getting aggravated at me with how long this is taking, so we're just gonna flash forward to the end and you can see the completed build. And just like that, we're done. Let's get some sound tests and see what this thing feels like. Okay, so these are our final results, and I'll get the mic close so you guys can hear. So I'm not the biggest fan of the stabs in here. I still hear a little rattle when I click across, but overall, this has been a pretty fun experience, and I appreciate you guys hanging with me throughout it. Hey guys, if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to check out one of these. Make sure you like, subscribe, check out some of our other content, and as always, thanks for watching.